extremely proud of you learning that Bisaya. And you know what, actually, Joey has been going around all over Mindanao hosting so many pageants, and she has been learning some Bisaya words. So karong turuan nato siya og gamay nga Bisaya. Can you say, cool ba kaayo?
Cool ba kayo?
Cool ba kaayo? Everyone say, cool ba kaayo?
Cool ba kayo?
And that is how you can describe this pageant and that opening production number. That means that grabe iba ang level ng mga ginagawa when it comes to pageants. Again, thank you so much for having us here. Isang magandang gabi po sa lahat ng mga pinagatmos, and not just to everyone who's here in the stadium, but also we want to extend our greeting to everyone watching us online. And actually, Joy, alam mo, may mga kasama ko sa hotel. Tayo, may mga kasama tayo sa hotel ng mga bisita from all over Mindanao and from all over the Philippines and from all over the world, especially our guests from Finland who are with us just tonight. So we want to greet everyone. To those of you watching online, to everyone in the rest of the world, good evening to you. Greetings from the Dinagat Islands.
Yes, so thank you once again, and welcome everybody to Binibining Dinagat Islands 2025. And we have just witnessed here, Elton, on stage, the marvelous production number of our Binibining International Star Nation. That's really a way to start a competition, and I cannot wait to see what will transpire here on stage when they walk on the runway wearing their most beautiful smiles, and not to mention the most awaited question and answer portion. I'm dying to see that.
And that's exactly what you get. Yan po ang nakukuha natin when you blend theater arts and pageantry. You get an amazing production that is rooted in culture, that gives out or that presents the heritage to the people.
That's true, and tonight we unite one vibrant province to celebrate our oneness with beauty, grace, and strength of these Binibinis to embody purpose and advocacy. I love that.
Yeah, and you know what, actually, I've personally experienced and witnessed the beauty of the islands. But tonight, ladies and gentlemen, ibang level po, we are going to experience a whole new level of beauty, grace, and strength, especially with our 12 incredible ladies on stage right now. Kaya naman, ready na ba ang mga dinagatmons for your new queen? Gusto na ako malugan kung kinsa yung mga gusto nga mudaog? As Binibining Dinagat Islands 2025, but let me hear those numbers!
Parang nakita mo ba sila kung sino ang gusto nilang manalo? Yung sa akin yung ganahan ng Mudaon International Star Nation. Alright, Dinagat Islands, kinsain yung ganahan ng Mudaon tonight! Wow! Unsa na ang sa Binibini? Kailangan! A lot of people are, you know, a lot of people are cheering for the respective Binibinis here on stage. That's why I'm so excited for tonight, because you know we have unraveled something unique here on stage. You know what they call that pageant storytelling? It's celebrating a culture, heritage, diversity of a people in such one beautiful place. It's showcasing it to not just to the Dinagat province, but also to the rest of the world, because we're live on Facebook. And everybody can see how beautiful the Binibinis are, how beautiful the culture that we have here, and how beautiful the province of Dinagat Islands is.
Exactly, Joy. And the beauty of this is that we are not only celebrating women, we are also celebrating culture, we are celebrating heritage, and we are celebrating you as a community. So, ladies and gentlemen, I think everyone is ready. Alam natin, narinig na natin kung gaano kahanda ang mga dinagatmons for your new queen. So, it is almost time, ladies and gentlemen. Ready na ba ang dinagatmons for the next segment? Alright, isang pinagpala ng pagmamahal. We give you back your 12 champions in pageant storytelling in their place to the time.